Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Code and Tech. My name is Shubham Dhar and this is another video which is uh, about DevRel actually, developer relations, and one of the main work of DevRel you can see that about open source contributions. So this video I have prepared these slides for to make you understand that what are open source contribution strategies, and in the world of open source we will discover the importance of contributions. Okay, so moving on, we will explore some common strategies in the slides and learn best practices effective engagement. So importance of open source contribution. Now there are many more if you look it into each individual perspective, but these three I find the most important. First is driving innovation. Now open source contributions foster collaboration and create a fertile ground for innovation. Now open source is like a brain combined with various inputs from different people from different communication communities and tech background. So second point is personal growth. Now contribute to your skill development, expand your network and gain recognition for your expertise. Now when someone contributes to open source, it's good that the person is able to showcase their own skill, but they or he or she will be able to see that what the actual network is all about, what others are doing, what else you can do that will help you to gain your recognition with your expertise. And third is organizational benefits. Now this is a very common thing, like by participating in open source, organization can leverage diverse perspectives, establish credibility and expedite development. Now most of the companies you will see that the development process or the writing process or many things which takes a group to provide input, they use open source. Now, common open source contribution strategies, like first of all, bug fixing and issue triages. Now, you will see that people do post there uh, about if they encounter a bug and they try to fix it by reporting it, and these things can be done through open source itself. So help improve your software quality by individual identifying and big fixing bugs while ensuring clear communication and issue management. Second is documentation improve. So this thing I worked personally also, like when you see docs being created for any of the product or website or anywhere, so you see that they are all in a sequence manner, but it is not written in a format that it will show you directly. It is done in a open source contributions. It can be on GitHub, GitLab, anywhere. So a person contributes for project documentations, and then a person sees it whether it is user friendly or not, then it is pushed further, and then it is being showed, so making it more accessible, comprehensive, as well as user friendly. Finally, feature development and enhancement. Now feature is there, and in open source contributions, you know that in open source you can have the proper version of that development process and work. You can keep on working on it and add new features, add functionalities, improve its capabilities, and push it on open source one after another. So this creates a whole track for you to do a proper and linear development on any of the product. So best practices for effective open source contribution: finding the right project and communities. So open source, you want to if you want to contribute to open source and you are ready for it, you have built your stack, so what next? So how to find the right project? Choose a project aligned with your own interests itself. So it should have you uh, be it should have all the necessities where you can showcase your own technical skills, participate in supportive communities, and that fosters your growth as well as community's growth. Second is building relationships with maintainers. Now wherever you contribute every part, so the place where you are contributing, it is always maintained. So engage with the project maintainer. So whichever project you are trying to contribute, try to get a idea of the project with the uh, maintainer of the project, and discuss the idea what you want to provide, and also ask for feedback and collaborate to ensure a successful contributions following community guidelines and standards. So this is like the very basic and the most important thing. Respect the project's guideline, coding conventions, and licensing requirements to maintain code quality and project coherence. Now, whenever you contribute to an open source project, make sure that you are able to contribute as per the provided rules itself. If they are saying, okay, you have to explain and you have to provide comments, you have to provide this type of licensing, you have to maintain this type of version of node or uh, npm, you have to maintain that for that particular project, because again, it is an open source. Not only do you a single brain contributed by many contributors. Okay, so measuring and showcasing impact. Now in devrel, when you are doing an open source, you want to track your contribution. Not only devrel, it's actually in if you are also providing contributions to GitHub, GitLab, you will you would like to know that what is the contributions and what are the progress, and maintaining your own records, monitoring metrics. This will help you to take measures for personal growth and make an impact from your contributions. So if the more you know about your contribution and progress, the more you will able to discuss it with others and showcase to others. Reporting and sharing impact with the community. Now again, this was the first thing only which I covered. Promote your contributions. Once you know what are your progress, what you have done, how it is impacting you, then you can promote the contributions to bring the project into a wider community. So